Let's take a look at the Deerc 20 drone. So this is a very, very simple, small drone. It's actually a lot of fun to fly. And you can see it folds up. It's got the 4 propellers on here. These can fold down, so it becomes very compact when you're traveling with it. It's got 2 lithium-ion batteries you can charge separately. They'll pop into here, which is nice. You can swap them out and get more flying time on there. It's also got this controller, so this is going to do up and down on the controller, and then this will rotate the drone and go side to side as well on here. So you can do a lot with it, and you can pair it to your phone as well, so that you're able to control it from there and also get a video feed from the camera. There's a little camera on the front here. And honestly, the video quality is not terrific. It'll take photos, it'll take video. Technically, it's HD, but it's a very small camera, and it doesn't get great video. But it's really fun to see an overhead view of your space when you're flying this around. Some other nice things on here. There's a button that'll do takeoff and landing over on the side here. So if you run into trouble and you want to land quickly, you can just press the button on there. And there's also a button you can press to make it do a backflip, which is kind of fun to do as well. Now, this drone is a lot of fun to fly outside, and I can show you what that looks like.
So let's use that auto takeoff function here in my backyard and fly it around. You can see it's a super fun little drone to just buzz around with here. Not the most stable flight. You're going to be using that manual controller to constantly make adjustments as you fly, but then that auto land function works great. Let's pop back up again. Definitely good to use when it's a pretty still day, not too much wind, but super fun little drone. I had a great time flying it around my yard here, as you can see, and I love that land function.